Hello and welcome to Learning Factory. And in this tutorial series on pandas, today I'll be answering the question how to get index and values of series in pandas. So to work with pandas, what we need to do first is we should import pandas. So let us write the statement import pandas as PD and let's execute it, and then we would like to create a series. So let's create a series 1 equal to pd dot series, and let us create the series as a simple list of values. So let's have the values, say 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and let us print this series. So let's print the series 1, right? So let's see what we are getting. So see here, we are having the index value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are having the values stored as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this series, right? Now we would like to retrieve or get the values, those are stored in the series. So we are having the values property, dot values property for the object. So simply what we should do is we should write the statement like series 1 dot values, right? And we would like to print it. So we are printing the values so that we can understand what is returned with this. So see here, whenever I'm writing the statement print series 1 dot values, I'll be getting the array of values, right? Those are stored in the series. Now to retrieve or get the index of the series, simply we'll be using dot index property. So see here, we are once again printing series 1 dot index, right? And this will provide us the index of the series. So see here what we are getting. We are getting range index, start value is 0, stop value is 5 and the step is 1. So these are the indices those we have for the series. So by default we are having these indices, and that is what we are getting using dot index property. Now let us use the same properties to retrieve values and index, but now this time let us try to create the series by making use of a dictionary, right? So let's create the dictionary first, or rather the series using the dictionary first. So pd dot series, and in parenthesis we will be having the dictionary. So in this dictionary we are having the key values or the keys. So this is the name of the country, which is a key, and the value, that is the capital of the country, is New Delhi, right? Similarly we are having another key, say Japan, and the capital of Japan is the value, and that is Tokyo. Okay, then let's see one more key we have, that is say UK, and the value that we have is London, okay, which is the capital of UK. So this is how we can create the dictionary. Once we create the dictionary, let us try to print the values and the index of this dictionary, this series that is created using dictionary. So let's write here print series 2 dot values, which will provide us the values, and let us print the index also. So print series 2 dot index. So here we are having the index, that is the key in the dictionary, right? So let's see what we are getting. So see here, we are having the values New Delhi, Tokyo and London, right? And these keys, those are the names of the countries, that forms the index. Okay, and it is possible to retrieve the values and the index from the series, right? So that's all with this tutorial. So I hope you are getting insights of the pandas functionalities through these tutorials. So thank you very much for watching and wishing you happy learning. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and press on the bell icon so that you can get the notifications. Thank you.